How to fix NFC is not working in Samsung A16. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, then click on connection. After clicking on connections, you can see the option NFC and contactless payments. Now turn this button on. After turning this button on, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And then restart your device. After restarting your device, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then update all the apps. For updating all the apps, open Play Store and then click on account. And then click on manage apps and device and then click on updates, and here you can update all the apps. After updating all the apps, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.